Hello everyone. Today I'll discuss exercise 3.3 question number 4. Draw a rough figure of a quadrilateral that is not a parallelogram but has exactly two opposite angles of equal measure. Here is we have make a quadrilateral that is a kite. It is a kite. The consecutive sides are equal, that is AD is equal to AB and DC is equal to BC. Here you see that angle B is equal to angle D. Angle B is equal to angle D. But angle A is not equal to angle C, right? But we know that a quadrilateral will be a parallelogram the following conditions should be fulfilled. The following conditions should be fulfilled. The following conditions should be fulfilled. Number 1, that is opposite angles should be equal. Opposite angles should be equal. And number 2 is the sum of the adjacent sides. The sum of the adjacent sides angles, not side, the sum of the adjacent angles, should be supplementary, sum of the adjacent angles should be supplementary. But here in this case, you see that angle D is equal to angle B, but angle A is not equal to angle C. This angle in this angle is not equal. Therefore, this quadrilateral is not a parallelogram. Therefore, you can say that ABCD quadrilateral is not a parallelogram. Because in this quadrilateral, the two conditions are not satisfied. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.